Got a lot on your plate? You are dealing with compliance management, sustainability, greenhouse gas emissions or carbon footprint, environmental reports, occupational health and safety, training management, MSDS and document management, and much more. As an EHS manager, you can spend less time managing data, paperwork, and spreadsheets, and more time on employee health and safety, as well as on how the facility can contribute to a more sustainable environment and profitable organization. ERA's Virtual Manager is the answer. As one of our clients put it best, one place to put it all, one place to see it all. How do you keep on top of all the reports required by local and federal authorities? You need to track events and stay in compliance. You need auto-generated email alerts to keep you on track. Missing a reporting deadline can be costly. Are you able to coordinate between health and safety, environmental demands, and production to create a sustainable manufacturing environment? Do you need to assess your facility's greenhouse gas emissions and determine its carbon footprint? Environmental reporting requirements are becoming increasingly more stringent. You have to meet local and federal reporting deadlines to avoid fines. On top of all the reporting, you need to manage the collection of the data on a frequent basis. And now you are required to do more with fewer resources. On top of everything else, if you are responsible for multiple facilities, you need to maintain the integrity and consistency of the data from site to site. Maintaining that generic spreadsheet is a job on its own with updating formulas, ensuring proper and accurate data entry. Spreadsheets are no longer a viable solution. You need a better way. One place to put it all, one place to see it all. Eliminate the confusing hodgepodge of separate, unrelated applications for your EHS duties. ERA's software puts all your environmental, health and safety tools at your fingertips and is accessible anywhere from the internet. With all of your duties, it is easy to forget upcoming project due dates, report deadlines, fee payment dates, and permit due dates, to name a few. ERA's Compliance Manager looks after all of your deadline commitments and goes one step further, including an Auditing Module as part of the Compliance Manager package. The Compliance Manager will always remind you of what is ahead. You can plan and organize your responsibilities, assign priorities to tasks with due dates, create alert notifications with time-based email ticklers, track audit dates, training and conference dates, and ensure overall corporate-level accountability. The Auditing Module allows you to develop simple questionnaires to take care of the small details that must be accomplished to maintain compliance. Create simple questionnaires or full audit forms. Associate the audits with tasks and due dates. Ask specific questions that may point out non-compliance situations. Create automatic triggers, which in turn will prompt follow-up actions. Provides a dynamic system that grows with you. The Environmental Software module includes regulatory tracking and reporting capabilities. All calculations are completed within the software, and the results are exported to the required report for submission to the appropriate regulatory authority. You can maintain a complete air emission inventory, track and report greenhouse gas emissions, and determine your facility's carbon footprint. Produce industry-specific niche app reports at a push of a button. Electronically update hazardous material profiles and provide Tier 2 emergency and toxic release inventory hazardous chemical inventory reports. Manage waste from cradle to grave. The health and safety software complements the environmental management system and is accessed on the same main menu. The Health and Safety module has a broad range of tools. The Incident module provides a secure, web-based electronic filing cabinet for all of your investigation notes and follow-up corrective actions, as well as medical documentation. Seamlessly interface with workers' compensation and insurance carriers. Generate health and safety logs and corporate rollout reports. Reduce occurrence of future incidents by providing targeted training based on statistical analysis of existing historical data. ERA has been in business of providing solutions for your environmental, health and safety needs for over 15 years by combining experts from chemistry, environmental science, toxicology, health, safety, hygiene, and computer science. ERA is a privately held company. We do not answer to shareholders, only to you, the customer. Our continuous development is based on customer feedback. Just ask ERA's very first customer from 15 years ago. They are still a satisfied ERA client today. ERA offers in-house technical support for the software and expert guidance on environmental, health, and safety issues. No need to worry about keeping chemical lists current or be concerned with upcoming regulatory changes and how they will affect your reports. ERA's environmental scientists have you covered. Investment in ERA software is cost-effective compared to other, less sophisticated software packages. Implementation time at your facility is much less than the competition since ERA software is fully developed. It can be interfaced with your existing ERP and other third-party softwares based on your requirements. The same people who initially set you up and trained you provide ongoing product and software support. We do not pass you off to a support department on another continent. ERA's Virtual Manager is an integral part of a lean manufacturing solution built on a web-based platform so you can access it from anywhere in the world with internet access. With reduced resources and increased reporting requirements, it is difficult for you to stay in compliance, meet reporting deadlines, and keep up with the changes in legislation and requirements. ERA's Virtual Manager software brings order to the chaos, keeps you on track and on time. Stay in compliance, complete your environmental health and safety reports accurately and on time, and manage your multiple sites with authority. ERA is the expert, so you don't have to be. Follow this link to request a demo or call us at 256-232-4437.